Commencing virtuous mission now.
Sabi, maingay ba eh. Kanyari.
In garden.
Kung gaano kahaba to. So baka hindi siya abot ng parang let's say 2 hours. Depende, no? I'm not sure kung paano tatakbo tong ano natin. Um, being a hikikimori is antisocial ka, 'di ba? Pero syempre, kapag working citizen ka, kailangan mo mag-interact sa mga office-mate mo, no?
As the sun rises over a land at war, so too.
So at least may itinerary na kayo, no? That's good. That's good. Kasi kami nung pumunta kami doon, hindi siya planado per se, parang DIY yung dating. Kaya yung Macau hindi na namin napuntahan. Okay. Ang tawag dito? Ito yung topic natin, no? Kasi
That looks like the foreman Arnott mentioned. I should check in with him.
I've come to escort you back to the other side of the Iron Curtain.
Your CIA?
Yeah. I was sent by Major Zero, the man who got you out 2 years ago.
Ang haba na itong chapter 6 Kaya nga eh. May mga child na yun, experiments ka na nangyari. Parang ginawa silang sacrifice ng mga
Capable of operating solo. Is that thing finished?
No, this is only the end of
Uy!
And ayun, medyo focus ako no doon sa mga backlogs na 'yan. 8-hour podcast daw. Grabe si Lorenzo, no? R1, R2,
If Khrushchev finds out about this, we're finished.
Anyway guys, so yun lang naman. Medyo late na rin, no? So I try to edit this stream para maging ano siya.
Of hell itself. It's raining blood. Guess we do. Not the most pleasant boots to fill, but I'll wear them. All thanks to you, Flamehair.
si Petra ang kabayo. Okay. Yosin muna ako, guys.
Snake, your presence in Soviet territory is already a violation of international law. We can't let the Kremlin find out that the CIA and the American...
Ba, mahal bang mga expenses, sir? Pero 2 weeks, tagal nun. Kasi ako nung nagpunta ako doon, 3 days lang. kasi within the city lang naman eh. Although plano pa nga
naturally. Depending on how long you sleep, you may also recover naturally from sickness and injury. When you're tired or hurt, the best thing to do is just get some sleep. So do yourself a favor and take a nap.
Mountain. I should let Javad know what I found. Diving in.
nakaranas din daw ng mga pangit na management. And siguro, lang yun din daw mangyari sa future ng company. Which is true. Kasi parang, alam mo yun,
established design bureau.
From a lowly technician to head of a design bureau, that's quite a success story. So why do you want to defect?
It seems he'd become afraid of his own creations.
There's the explosives up on the track. Just need to get across somehow.
Yun. Guys, smoke lang ako.
Hey Snake, have you ever seen Forbidden Planet? Do you want to save?
Oh, dito. Kwarto ni Roka. Si Roka. Oh? Ah, okay. Ikot din ng western ah.
Timer nating magtagal lang konti. Kasi wala nga tayong waiting screen, di ba? Paano ka ba gagawin to? Siguro maybe we can share this.
Incredible.
Do you like it?
The feeding ramp is polished to a mirror sheen. The slide's been reinforced, and the interlock with the frame is tightened for added precision.
Ganito siya, ganito, ganyan, no? So, something na hindi naman natin binabasa. No? Kasi kayo ba nagbabasa ng Yula? Kayo ba? Binabasa nyo ba yan? Ni-skip nyo lang yan eh. Ano din eh. Napapansin ko sa iba na parang galit. I mean, may mga creator no, or may mga YouTuber na galit sila sa corporate. Na parang
Ibarra Infirmary. Alam ko na yung infirmary na yung sinasabi.
Involved in that explosion.
And eliminating the boss ourselves will prove America's innocence?
Right. The higher-ups have decided that you're the only one capable of pulling this off. Listen up, Jack.
You know what? Let's give some references. Kasi yung itong topic natin na hindi pa natin nasisimulan. Dami ko na sinas... Yan. Kung halimbawa it's something siya na parang ganito, example. Di ba recently may mga balita about Nintendo.
A temporary replacement?
What do you need?
Medyo mahaba-haba kasi yung Horizon eh.
Bago yung parang pinaka-final build. Pero sabihin mo yung pinaka-actual final build na buo na, wala na sila nun, no? Lost in translation na ika nga, diba?
At the top of the ridge, to wait in safety.
Sorry. Operator's under strict orders. No passengers till the whistle blows, right?
That's right. Best start crank.
No? Kaya, syempre, naghahanap tayo ng alternative to experience that. Diba? Pero syempre, sa ibang tao na parang they are eager talaga no, to collect game.
Us.
Meron kang kakayanan to talk about what do you call this? To talk about this, no, na ito yung view mo to play the game first. Kasi kung something siya na parang okay sa'yo, and then majority ng mga gamers hindi okay sa kanila. I mean, 'di ba? Hindi naman masama 'yun kasi
It was crafted long before the other Kagura mask, and it was different from any other. Nakakatingin snake.
What did you say? It's a nice gun, I'll give you that. But the engraving gives you no tactical advantage whatsoever. Unless you were planning to auction it off as a collector's item.
Diba? And then, syempre, dun din sa platform na yon, dun tayo bumibili ng games. That's why ito yung buy arrow papunta dun sa platform. So, bumibili tayo. No?
Yan. Good afternoon sa'yo, Sir Jake R. Blasco. Yan. Patuloy natin yung playthrough natin na
Won't get away from me. That range, huh?
He's the Ocelot commander.
That's Major Ocelot to you. And don't you forget it. I'm still in a dream.
Snake Eater.
His demands go beyond. Corvin's been doing his best to appease. He even blamed himself.
Sounds like a good guy.
That's why we all put up with it. But if the whole mine becomes I'd rather suffer.
No? Sa Japan lang sapat na. No? Tama-tama nga ngayon, di ba? Ang Cebu Pacific is meron silang ano tawag dito? Promo, no? Papuntang Sapporo. May gulay. Ano, very ano siya, parang what do you call this? Parang alam mo yun, yung parang very appropriate siya at some point. Di ba? So I think
Alright. Good evening sa inyo, guys. Good evening, Jerome and Mafty. Kakain ka ng ahas, sir? Yes. It's Nick.
Why?
Apparently, they're conducting a field test of the weapon, but it's our best chance to get him back. This mission would never have been possible if he was still in the research facility. This is
hindi ko sure kung may Easy Allies pa ngayon. Hindi na ako nakakapanood ng Easy Allies eh. Buhay pa sila, no? Ah, meron pa. Alright, sorry. I killed them. Pero
Ito.
games, no? Tinitake advantage nila yon. Diba? So, kaya ginagawa nilang commodity. No? Tradable goods, ika nga. So, syempre sa atin, sa part natin, no? It's
Incredible.
Do you like it?
The feeding ramp is polished to a mirror sheen. The slide's been reinforced, and the interlock with the frame is tightened for added precision.
hindi na naisip ko eh. Siguro at some point in time, baka magkaroon ng interest. Hindi ko naman sinasabing outright na nawalan ako ng interest no, on collecting games. Hindi naman.
Out before I can look around.
ng volume 2 by next year, sana. Pwede natin ma-stream yung MGS4. Pero kasi
fans, no, ang mas gusto nila is yung boots on the ground. The team, war, rooted in reality, espionage, no? Kaya nga so, ano yung parang middle ground natin dito, no? Ano ba yung parang magiging pwedeng possible solution? Ako nung una kong naisip to, parang feeling ko yung
search inside your former. Ano yung former natin? Eto.
grabe siya. Napakamahal daw ng pagkain. Oh, yes, yun pa. Napakamahal ng pagkain. Kaya tipid talaga kami dun. Yung tipong waffle nga lang eh. Parang, and then you try to absorb kung ano yung mga sinabi niya na parang something na as a casual, no, ng maybe the franchise, no, kung part ng
kulang ko to kay ano sa isa.
This is Snake. Do you read me?
Loud and clear. Glad to see you.
May mysterious na nangyari dito sa island. May mga batang nawala. Tapos natagpuan ulit. Kasama siya sa mga batang nawala itong bida. Yung tatlong bida.
Your mission is to bring Sokolov back alive. He must not be exposed to any kind of danger. Do not approach Sokolov while in the alert phase.
Right.
Oh, and one more thing, Snake.